Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce the fine roller crusher. Fine roller crusher is a crown of the roller crusher, the hardest roller crusher to make. Basically, the position for a fine roller crusher is before the extruder or before the right pan mill and after the aging. For this machine, have some special structures. Let's come and check. First of all, for a roller crusher, we have two rollers. One is fixed and one is movable. For a fine roller crusher, we cannot use a spring to make sure this one have the same gap. Fine roller crusher is the last grading machine to make sure the particle of our raw material less than 2 millimeters, sometimes even less than 0.5 millimeters. So we have a hydraulic system here. In the hydraulic system, you can check this meter. In our daily operation, is from 12 MPa to 15 MPa. The maximum is 25, which for some extreme situations. In case that we have some very hard raw material to pass through these two rollers and damage our hydraulic system, we have a cushion. We have a cushion here. In this place. It will pass the hydraulic high temperature, high pressure from here to these cushion devices. And for a fine roller crusher, because it's the last grading machine, our rolling speed is from 200 to 300 RPM, which is much higher than the normal roller crusher from 70 to 100 to 120. And the speed are controlled by this wheel. This roller crusher is from one is 200 and one is 220. If we want a higher speed, which also refers to a higher capacity, we can make this wheel a little bit small, and then the speed will be faster. Another very special device for the fine roller crusher is the scrubber. We have two scrubbers here in this place. These two scrubbers will guarantee us have a very clean surface of the roller because it's running so fast. If you want to make it very stable, if you want to make it not any problem, we have to keep cleaning the surface of the roller crusher. This is a fine roller crusher in type GS1200 into 100, which means the width from here to here is around 1 meter, and the diameter is 1,200 millimeters, 1.2 meter. Now I would like to talk about something about the maintenance. First of all, we can see these grading devices on two sides. For our fine roller crusher, we have to make sure the gap is 0.5 millimeter to 2 millimeter. So the gap between the two rollers is very important. If you don't mind, we can check these devices. Each and every time by these grading devices, we can move 0.1 millimeter to 0.2 millimeter to make sure our grading is precisely right. In brick factory, if your roller crusher won in very short time, which means actually maybe you have some problem, because in the brick factory or the conveyor belt they are 650 millimeters or 800 millimeters wide, but for the roller it's 800 or 1000 millimeters, even 1200 millimeters. You didn't use the roller fully, then problem will happen. These small devices is for solving this problem. These small devices, they can distribute all the clay in widths of 800, 1000 or 1200 millimeters to match the roller crusher. Think about that situation. When your conveyor belt come only for this narrow place, and then all the raw material falling down, but your roller is this width, then you cannot make full use of all your roller. And when the middle side is broken or worn, you have to fix the whole roller from the left to the right.